attempt a Japanese accent, because it usually sounds like sort of a Chinese, sort of Welsh accent mixed into one. So I won't do that.
Yeah,
I mean, someone else get a word in edgeways now.
It works alright, yeah.
Ain't got any more of those, have you?
How's everybody feeling? You're feeling alright after this?
Hey!
I was dancing. I've never done that. It was the first time I've been here and I was dancing. What a great time.
Chloe's mic works better than that.
What?
Your mic's crap.
Well, maybe my mouth is too close to it. Is that alright?
No.
Can everyone hear it?
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
As long as everyone can hear, that's the main thing. Well, I'll be mother. Still, or you've always been a mother? Still? Kitty? Still, or any at all? Still? Right.
Say hello to everyone, Kitty.
She's taking pictures of your arms.
I would take my trousers down, but I haven't got my best underpants on today. Kitty's got a nice view of my arse now. It won't be for very long, Kitty, because I'm going to deliver you your lovely still water. Hello. Who's that?
Oh.
Ah! It's that chap who's held the day together so well. There you go, Kelly. Sir Norman?
You don't.
Right, I suppose we're going to take a question.
I suppose we're going to do some work.
We had, instead of sitting up here enjoying ourselves.
First question. You, with that bullshit on your chest.
Sorry? Do we not have that fantastic service where someone comes along with a microphone and does it like it was yesterday? It was a Sunday service, like a train. We've got all the microphones. Oh dear. So the question was...
Why weren't you at the disco last week?
Because I'm sensible. I felt I sort of reached a peak in Liverpool 2 years ago. And yeah, I escaped. I was going to use my 11-month-old son as an excuse, but I can't because it wasn't where I was last night. So no, I'm sorry about that. But I knew that if I'd stayed, the demons inside me would have got the better side of me and I would have been smashed out of my head and less able to perform and be so bright today. That's bright.
Next question.
Next question, thank you, Dawn.
It's only a matter of time for this question. Did you learn the Rimmer song at 2 years?
My 11-month-old son.
My 11-month-old son has been such a ball of energy, but I tell you what, I'll do it line by line. Nothing before.
Does everybody know it?
Yeah!
So I'll do it, when I say line by line, I mean a line, I'll do one line at this convention.
Oh, no, that's not.
Well, if anyone's got the lyrics,
Yeah, anybody got the lyrics? Chris,
Arnold Rimmer. What's the next line?
Without him, life would be much grimmer.
Without him, life would be much grimmer.
He's handsome, trim, and no one's slimmer.
He's handsome, trim, and
No one's
no
slimmer.
one's slimmer. So what's that?
He will never need a Zimmer.
He will never need a Zimmer. Scam of that. Next line. Tell you what, you want to write them out? You write them out for
At
me.
the end, by the time you finish.
By the time we've spun out the question.
There's Mr. Bronze Medal and the Morris dance will do it for you.
Anyone got a pen? Is it? That's Morris dance?
You're the Morris dance, aren't you?
Yeah.
Mr. question.
Yeah.
Next question.
Go.
This is for Chris. When did you first realise that you were good at doing impressions of other people?
Good at doing impressions. Well, it's a rusty old thing that rusts after a while, but I don't know, when I was about 10 or 12, I used to do the teachers at school. And then, you know, from there on, you meet such charismatic people in your professional life, like Norman Lovett. And before you know where you are, you're talking a bit like him. Our famous stand-up tour, of course, I was trying to do as much of it as possible, you know? It stretched out from just sort of, oh, my feet, my shoes. They're so tight, because they're new, these shoes. Embarrassing, huh?
Yeah, it does sound right for her. Oh, I never thought it sounded like me at all, really. Because he seems to, this is my daughter, by the way. I'm not, it's not my granddaughter. It's some horrible woman in Hamleys once asked me. Oh, I nearly killed her. But yeah, Chris has been doing impressions for a long time. You worked in Harrods as well, didn't you?
I did.
Can you imagine Chris in Harrods?
As what? There is me. As what? A shop assistant. Yes.
Which department were you in?
Men's smalls.
Men's. Oh, yes, hello. In the bicycle department and the sports equipment department. Jock straps. They're sports equipment. They're not underwear. They're useless and highly really unfunny to admit. I didn't wear the jock strap. I sold them. Britain asked me to demonstrate.